How you doing? I'm Mike for LovejoyAntiques.com. Taking a look at a antique Vacheron Constantin pocket watch for J.E. Caldwell. It has an 18 karat solid yellow gold full hunter case, which is 42 millimeters in diameter. The movement is 31 millimeters in diameter, not including the stem and crown, of course. As you can see there, it is running very strong, keeping good time. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at the shop at 239-649-7447, Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I do want to mention that this watch does ship free via FedEx worldwide. Thanks for watching.